Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Instead of using chemical cleaners and polishes to clean stainless steel surfaces, however, you can minimize damage to your health and the environment by using natural non-toxic cleaners, or even making them yourself from a few simple household ingredients. Continue watching for the best natural way to clean and get streaks out of stainless steel appliances. You will need 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 3 tablespoons borax, vinegar, and club soda. Combine the baking soda, lemon juice, and borax in a small bowl, and stir to combine. Then add just enough vinegar to make a thick paste. Dip a rag into the paste, and rub the paste onto your stainless steel appliances. Then gently wipe the paste off with another wet rag. After cleaning the spills and debris off the stainless steel surface with the paste, follow the treatment with a polish made of club soda to remove streaks. Dampen a clean sponge or soft lint-free cloth with a bit of club soda and rub it over the metal surface until the streaks disappear. Finish off the whole process by wiping down your appliances with a damp microfiber cloth for extra shine. You may click on the links in the description below to get some of the items mentioned in this video.